Animal peacock. Species: California bird. Habitat: forest. Feeding insects, plants, and small animals. Length: 100 and 120 cm. Their existence in danger mainly due to poisoning and the invasion of their habitats by other species. 2 animals. Wonderful hummingbird. Species: marigolds. Habitat: Amazon. Measure 14 cm. They feed mainly on the nectar of flowers. They also feed on small insects and plants. Information: the spatulae hummingbirds is unique among birds in that it has only 4 tail feathers. It is currently in danger of extinction due to the depredation of forests and hunting. Their animals: the blue whale. Species: musculus. Habitat: the ocean. Measure 24 and 27 meters. They feed almost exclusively on krill. Information: hunting for the commercialization of products obtained from whales, such as meat and fat or oil, is one of the reasons why the blue whale is in danger of extinction. Also, global warming makes the species disappear. 4 animals. Tiger. Species: tigris. Habitat: has snow mountains, tropical forests. Measure: 90 and 330 cm. It feeds on the meat of other animals such as wild boar, deer, etc. Information: the tiger is illegal hunting has caused the tiger to be in danger of extinction, also due to deforestation caused by humans. 5 animals. Bee. Species: apis mellifera. Habitat: areas with tropical climate and dense forest areas. Measure 1.5 to 3.2 cm. Bees consume honey and pollen. The information: habitat loss. Intensive agricultural practice, change in weather pattern, and excessive use of agrochemicals such as pesticides. 6 animals. Snake. Species: Ophiopagus hanat. Habitat: tropical forest. Measure 6 meters. Feeds on snakes. Information: the animal is hunted to use its skin, in addition to the destruction of its natural habitat, forcing them to migrate to areas populated by man.